Hi, I'm Felix, and in this video I will be talking about two flora and two fauna in New Zealand. My two flora will be supplejack and lancewoods, and my two fauna will be wicker and the South Island robin. Also, I forgot to mention, welcome to the beautiful Craigieburn natural environment. Lancewoods. There are three species of lancewood. These are commonly found in the lowland and shrubland in the North, South and Stewart Islands of New Zealand. They are native to New Zealand. A baby lancewood or a juvenile lancewood is small shrub bush looking like. And a adult lancewood can grow up to about 15 meters tall and looks different to a juvenile. When they're juvenile, they protect themselves from species such as the moa by having sharp, pointy leaves. And for 15 to 20 years until they're an adult, they have these leaves. And when they become an adult, they look more like a tree, and they have a trunk that's about 50 centimeters or up to 50 centimeters wide. The Māori also used to use the lancewood for paintbrushes with the leaves and walking sticks with the juvenile lancewoods by tying knots in them and waiting for them to grow and then cutting them. The South Island robin. The South Island robin is a sparrow-sized bird found only in New Zealand, where it has the status of a protected endemic species. Birds are sparsely distributed around the South Island and Stewart Island, where they live in mature forest, scrub and exotic plantations. You can tell the difference between the males and the females, as the males on their chest have a grey and creamy colours, but they have nice separation lines, so you're like clear lines between the colours, whereas the females it's a bit more merged or blurred together. These robins are very curious birds, so when they see humans in the forest they come and hang around us, and the benefit of this is we kick up leaves and dirt, so we open up the pores in the ground for them to come and feed off things such as worms and other little bugs. Welcome back to the sunny west coast. Here we have supplejack. Supplejack can be found all over New Zealand. It is also found on some surrounding islands such as Chatham Islands and Stewart Islands. In the North Island it can grow up to 900 metres, whereas down here on the South Island it favours the lowland forest closer to the ocean, so the west coast is where it was predominantly found. Supplejack is a source of food to birds such as kiriru and blackbirds. The kaka have also been known to eat the little red berries that the supplejack grows. It grows high up into the forest to get to the sunlight, and in doing so it tangles and strangles all of the trees around it. The Māori use it for towing or they used to use it for towing small boats and firewood, and they used it for its medicinal purposes for things such as fevers, bowel problems and skin diseases. It is also endemic to New Zealand. A wicker. One of New Zealand's many flightless birds. A contender for the national bird, as a matter of fact. Wicker are endemic to New Zealand. They are important because they eat rats and mice, so are like rat traps that don't need checking, and the only downside is they come and steal your things when you go tramping. Or even here in Greymouth, right near the bush, you will see them scavenging for food scraps and other things to eat. The main predators to wicker are ferrets, cats and stoats. Sometimes even dogs will get them. Wicker have shown to breed well when they have a high food availability or there is areas where they can source more food easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it has been insightful and just goes to show how rare some of the animals in New Zealand are, and if we don't look after them then they will go extinct, and they're in no other country, so we need to look after our flora and fauna, otherwise we will end up with nothing left.